Hi folks, Cat in the Hat back here again to talk a little bit more about that frog call idea that I came up with yesterday. I'm out here on the shores of Grand Traverse Bay. It's a little windy, but it's a beautiful day, and anyhow, if you saw my other video, I did a little bit more experimenting and I found a smaller cup. This is a little, I guess a 10-ounce cup or 12-ounce cup made by a different manufacturer, and I put a little piece of rubber in here and came up with a chicken sound. Now the trick is to get this, to keep that rubber wet enough and enough tension on the string. You can hear that, a little bit of a chicken sound. And you can get a lot of different animal noises. Also, a couple other things. I tried putting a longer rubber band in that clear plastic cup. Get a little bit of a little chicken sound that way. Again, from the co-op, they had these clear plastic containers that the tofu comes in, and I tried making the call with a rubber band in that tofu container, get a little bit of a deeper sound. Like a bullfrog. Again, the trick is to keep it nice and wet. And I've got a wet towel here that there's your bullfrog sound. And again, just using a container. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if I come up with any more ideas, I'll post them here. And if you like what you see, please leave a comment and a rating. Thank you. Bye now.